have warned us for decades about zoonoses, diseases that can be transmitted from animals to humans, yet we didn't listen. And now we're facing the zoonosis pandemic of COVID-19. But how does a disease become a zoonosis? The answer, spillover. Zoonotic spillover is when the virus that causes the zoonosis transmits from the animal it was previously found in to a human. The virus that causes COVID-19 is called SARS-CoV-2. Scientists think that it originated in bats, transmitted to an intermediary host, and then spilled over to people. For spillover to occur, a virus must evolve the abilities to bind to human cells and survive the immune system. For example, SARS-CoV-2 had to evolve to bind with ACE2 cell receptors. Viruses evolve through mutations, basically misprints in their genetic material, which is copied for them by their host cells. How quickly a virus evolves is described by antigenic shift and drift. Antigenic drift is slow evolution of a virus caused by small, random mutations. Antigenic shift describes dramatic mutations that accelerate evolution. Mutations like these are the result of events like recombination, where two viruses infect a cell and the copies of their pieces mix when the new viruses are assembled. However, besides perfectly mutating, a virus must transmit from animal to human to spill over. Common types of transmission include direct contact. If you then touch yourself, a virus can get inside you through a mucous membrane or parenteral portal of entry. Indirect transmission is also possible via a biological product. Scientists are still trying to figure out how SARS-CoV-2 spilled over. So, as we've seen, spillover is like Jenga. Failure can occur if conditions are even slightly off, if a virus doesn't mutate perfectly or doesn't get the chance to transmit to a human. Yet scientists still warn us about zoonoses for 3 reasons. 1. Viruses reproduce rapidly and in droves, so even though a single virus stands a fat chance of evolving to infect people, viruses in general have plenty of chances. 2. Eukaryotic cells can only fix mutations in DNA, their type of genetic material. So viruses whose genetic material is RNA, like SARS-CoV-2, mutate extra easily and quickly. 3. As urbanization occurs, animals and people move closer together, giving viruses more chances to be transmitted. Essentially, it's unlikely that COVID-19 will be the last outbreak of a zoonosis. So, unlike before, we need to listen to scientists and prepare for future spillovers.